So excited about the 25-26 school year.
I cannot wait to see you in person.
We're very excited to see you on campus.
A huge welcome to our ASB families, both returning and also our new families.
I'm just very excited to welcome everybody to the 2025-2026 school year.
It is such a joy to know that the school will soon be filled with familiar faces and some new ones that will be joining us this year.
ASB has undertaken a lot of changes, but we designed the space to really reflect the innovative spirit of our school and community.
I'm here in the anteroom to our brand new auditorium. It's beautiful. Can't wait to have families in for some performances.
We have many new renovations that are happening at the school. This year we are focusing on enhancing our Discovery Center and adding a Discovery Center on the first floor in the pre-K division as well. In the early years and the elementary, we really want to focus on the whole child this year with a focus on all the academic programs, on their social emotional learning.
In the middle school, we're super excited to offer some brand new electives. That's one of the hallmarks of ASB is student choice. We're continuing to strengthen our advanced placement program. We got our results in from last year, really excited about all the successes that we had. We're moving into a new space for design and robotics. That comes along with some expanded other programs that we have as well. So we're going to be joined by some students who are living here on campus with us, one of the best locations in town.
And so we wanted to provide a home away from home, and our program is called ASB Plus, our very first residential program.
Some things, that you will see around campus. One of them is that, kids are really happy to be here. And that brings me joy every day, seeing the smiles on the faces of our students as they arrive.
It's always been a hallmark of ASB that we stand for academic excellence and we strive for character development, and we really establish a community of belonging.
That they feel that they belong to the ASB family, that they are known, and that we are here to support them every step of the way.
And so I'm excited about what will unfold in the new year as we welcome new families.
We're very excited to see you on campus.
So excited about the 25-26 school year.
So welcome to the new school year, 2025-26. I cannot wait to see you in person. Thank you.